Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. For those who for Star Times, now channel 195, My TV, channel 17. And those who watch us on top of internet, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't carry that Ogbonge politics discussion show as it hot. That show when we talk, say, every weekday from 10 to 11, we discuss all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk about the way the team be for body so that those who the leaders go do it in. Hear word, take the necessary steps to move this our country forward. My name now Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabi, where I stay concerning political matter as it hot.
Yes, a wonderful and beautiful Thursday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program come on our way as it is hot. As I always talk on that political program where they inform, they sunshine out different political activities that they happen for Budu Nigeria. Today we know what's different because now still a continuation of what we talk about yesterday. We still want to do it in extend on because we know very well. See, we know do it. We know to give our viewers that time to do it, to call and also contribute their own quota to the discussion. But today we go open our phone lines very soon after we don't establish the whole talk, so that at least we will also hear our own view on top of this. But so that collectively, as I always talk, we will know as we will take do it. Move this country forward. And my name never should change. My name is Nankubi. And this now Ask It Hot.
Based on the way we take do yesterday, we see we carry Ogbonge visitor Oga Sylvester, the MD and the editor of National Daily Newspaper, to discuss the PDP convention. And it be like say the K-leg we enter inside. Yesterday, August 17 don't go, and today we don't see say K-leg really enter inside the arrangement. Make nobody forget say we get divergent court rulings or order from different courts inside of Nigeria. When some talk say do the convention, other one talk say no do the convention. But the Nigerian police force, they stepped into the situation yesterday, or what they call them cordon off. That is, they block all the road when lead to the Shark Stadium for inside Port Harcourt. They can talk say this convention must not hold based on say with the respect court order. The one when we say Justice Okon Abank, now I mean drop. People can come and talk say it be like say the hand of government don't enter inside this arrangement, and APC they take side, won't destroy PDP, make opposition no they inside Obodo Nigeria. Other people come talk say, okay, as they don't seal off the place, what happen? The PDP people come move, enter inside the party secretariat for inside Port Harcourt here. They come decide, say, okay, they go extend the office of Oga Ahmed McCarthy by 1 year within 12 months. In case anything can happen, they go know how they'll take go about time. And another court come out from FCT for Abuja yesterday. They come talk say, Alimodu Sheriff, no be the chairman of the PDP. As it dey like this now, confusion don't enter. We can't ask questions. Nigerians. The only political party when it be like say that be the major opposition party inside of Nigeria. It be like say confusion don't enter. What do you think of this arrangement? Now to form new political party, how the PDP go feel rise again? PDP go ever rise again? Nigeria go move forward. We go get one party inside this country. Questions and more questions. We go try and phone lines open. You say go call in to discuss this matter and talk about the way anything be you for body. But Unkubi, before we throw the phone lines open, I want to beg you. And you know, say if the beg party they raise 2 hands up, is a serious begging. Unkubi, please, Nigeria needs opposition parties. I did not say party, parties. Nigeria needs opposition parties. The opposition is supposed to provide an alternative to the ruling party. Remember that since 1999, in fact, under the government of the PDP, under Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, we get over 50 political parties inside Nigeria. To choose anyone that you feel will help you attain your stated goal. To choose anyone that you feel will help you reach your accomplishment in life. But now we are having a system where it's looking like the court, the police, and some people that we know, they are trying to circumvent opposition in Nigeria. Unkubi, I'm begging you people, for the sake of this country, allow opposition. That's the only thing I have to say to you. Please. I can't even count how many times, but please.
You done, young man.
I'm just saying it.
No, you don't.
Because it's like you people want to rule us. You are even distracting us. We cannot even concentrate. Now, I don't even know if bag of rice is 20,000. I don't know how much is fuel now. Everything is PDP convention,
How can you people they convinced or probably they focus when past. Still they hunt now.
Which past?
The pastor, 16 years in government.
The past when no enter APC now.
The pastor, 16 years in government.
The past governors
when nobody fit to resolve.
The past governors when I become minister today for APC.
Even after you don't come out from power, now still resolve on a problem.
Please, for the sake of Nigeria.
Don't extend this problem to don't even bring. Me not carrying a problem. Come and affect this ruling party, please. We have agendas laid down, mapped out.
Which agenda?
And the agenda we are following with due process.
Which agenda? Which agenda are you following?
Not as much as we know that we get small challenges.
Which small challenges should I get?
Let us be focused. Let your problem be your problem. Let us address our own. Not going to depend on one political party or the real party that the responsibility.
Why not they use court? Why not they use court? Why you not they use court? Why are you people using court?
How?
The court they are giving different ruling.
Who go extend invitation to Almadi Sharif?
Who they control court?
Who go they beg Almadi Sharif say we have problem, we have financial crisis. Come please, come and help us, come and bail us out.
Who tell you say they are not bail us out?
What did it be?
Who tell you say they bail us out?
What did it be?
Who tell you say they bail us
Tell
out?
me now, confuse
Don't confuse Nigerians.
What is it?
Don't confuse Nigerians.
Because already they don't even carry all the money for what they carry, what they supposed to do. Channel it for their pocket. Spend what they spend. The coffee said this one will get me will not even do
spend.
Make we find who go do it, who go fit bring in, who go fit invest.
That's a fallacious statement.
They go invite with terms and conditions that
that's a fallacious statement.
Now they expect make the man no stick to terms and conditions.
That is a fallacious statement.
What is fallacious about the statement I have just made?
Thank you very much.
And don't tag me. Don't tag me.
I want
and
to
you have withdraw that statement that the ruling party they responsible for what they happen.
And you see, your conscience is already judging.
No,
did I call any? I call
who are my people that you are mentioning?
I say Nkubi, please, for the sake of Nigerians, let us have opposition. So I call any party.
Categorically, that is you are in fact you are hitting the hammer on the nail. Who are you referring to? Say make I tell my people, if not the ruling.
I say Nkubi.
Oh, you are now scared.
I'm not scared.
You are now scared.
I'm a comrade.
If you're not Chukudi, Ezugu Cyprian, may I call your name fully? Talk and say you are not referring to the ruling party. As a comrade. May they come buy as a body man we mention we give name.
You see Nigerians, you can see you are using pipeline. You are already threatening me.
I have not said anything.
Yeah, you said it. That they will come and you said they will come and grab me. You said it.
What does bad mean?
What does bad mean?
What does bad mean?
What does bad mean?
I don't know.
It's your language.
I just use
under this government of change. We are hearing different language. Bab. We are hearing bab. We are hearing padding. We are hearing bab.
It's an exclamatory statement.
Who's exclamatory statement?
Bad is it could be ha who bad.
Padding too. Padding. It could be pad.
Padding is a word.
He who pad.
Padding is a word.
It's a word, but it's not corruption.
Please
what?
It's enough.
You people, we padding budget. We know they face that one again. Now you are using.
Make una go clean on a house.
Economy.
Find solution to the problem. At least must it
remove your hand from that.
Must it be the PDP?
Remove your hand from that problem.
Must the opposition?
Remove your hand
from that problem. Must the strong opposition be PDP?
Remove your hand from that problem.
Can't you think of another opposition and strengthen the opposition?
Okay, why do you want to kill the PDP?
Who is killing the PDP?
We know you people.
Who?
We know you people.
Who?
We know you people. Courts. Now courts can't decide say they won't do their work.
Court don't check something.
We check. What did he check? What did he check?
No. What are you saying?
Let's say the truth.
What truth?
The former chairman of PDP, Alhaji Adamu Muazu, based on say the PDP in a party when we say that they follow due process, because we already know say the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, a gentleman.
Talk what you want talk.
Allow me to. Is it not a gentleman?
Talk what you want talk.
I must talk what I want to talk like I want to talk it.
No, just go straight to the point.
Former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, a gentleman, a loving father, a kind man. After election result come out, what he talk? I accept that I have lost. We know people when we say they don't accept though. Even ordinary governor election. When we know your people.
Which your people? Let us go. When your people were in power, we know how they were using the military, the police to threaten opposition.
And they want.
When they go to position, when they go to station, Boulevard, they go to station, this thing for people's residential homes.
It's a lie for peace to reign.
For what peace to reign?
For peace to reign. Okay, wait.
So, for peace to reign.
Wait.
And now this one, it is also for peace to reign.
Okay, wait. Yeah.
No.
No.
This one is also for peace to reign.
When we were doing election, now Comrade Adam Soshomole win for Edo State. True or false?
Well, that is different. That is
True or false?
We know the people who will carry van go block their house. Make them not come out.
Dr. Willie Obiano win.
I will know what.
Dr. Willie Obiano.
And yet, even with all na gingery, una succeed for just una succeed. But God look at things. So
Dr. Willie Obiano
not succeed in the presidential block.
Dr. Willie Obiano of APGA, he win for Anambra State. True or false?
What is that?
True or false?
Because they have an affiliation with your people. They have an affiliation with your people.
Adam Soshomole nko.
Eh? What is them? What is them? What is them?
Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola nko.
That one, we all know that Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola is a comrade.
We want peace to reign.
He looked in between, said no. In the first say something. So can't chess games on the player. I know give room.
Why would I know?
I said to a player for if I don't stay.
Why he be say anyone who lose?
Look at. Van everywhere. This is a typical example of what you guys did. No, they say example of. And they say example of what I do.
Which example?
When I do.
Allow opposition in Nigeria. Who could be? Allow opposition in Nigeria. Allow opposition.
Provide your facts.
Which facts?
Provide your facts that they have a hand in it.
Which they don't have a court, this court, that court,
no.
This court, that court.
What if judiciary get to do with the executive?
This court, that court, this court, that court.
The president government.
Alimadu Sheriff, when they invite, say, come and complete the period when somebody will come from the part of Nigeria where you come from, based on due process, Adamu Mwazu.
With what attached to
90 days.
With what attached to it?
Now you attach
so come and bail us out.
Now you attach No, now you attach
They owe our staff, they owe our workers. Come help us at least clean up the debt so we get.
Now you attach them.
As if you don't know.
Attachment.
Oh, you are the
you are the attachment.
You are denying it.
Attaching.
Oh, you are denying.
Allow opposition in Nigeria, who the
hold opposition?
Nigeria needs opposition. Because the way people are doing this country, we don't understand.
Respect yourself.
You to respect yourself.
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 Take me out of this. Take the real part out of this. Out of this problem.
You cannot escape from it.
We are not the judiciary.
We know you people.
The judiciary are doing their job.
Which they are doing their job.
If they have an issue, in-house issue, may they go address the in-house issue.
Don't bring it
down to the real party.
Now say judiciary are doing their job. Meanwhile, when you now they blame judiciary for all the problems they face.
Open our phone lines.
When you blame judiciary, you won't use phone line. You won't use phone line escape. Nigerians will not allow you escape.
I'm ready for you.
We need opposition.
Bring it on.
We need opposition.
Bring it on.
We need opposition.
Bring it on.
We need opposition.
In fact, I never even open phone line. Bring it on.
We need opposition.
I'm ready for you.
We need opposition.
So
we are not ready.
Who's
you won't use phone line escape. You won't use phone line escape.
Who is holding back to?
Yes, you don't know what they tell you.
Who they hold back on the position?
We know all these things.
Who they hold back on the position?
We know this game. You are playing a game. You people are playing
a game.
You people are playing a game. You people are playing a game. You are playing a game.
A game you people started.
Which game we started?
A game you think people think you are good at.
And Oshomole win election. And Obiano win election.
He is a comrade.
Two comrades. Obiano win election.
When you agree.
Obiano win election.
Because you get affiliation with now.
But Ayofayose win. Una no let us hear what.
Oh,
maybe no win. Una no let us hear what.
You not see the video.
Which video?
Sound.
Which video? Which audio?
The video they release.
Video, audio.
Play out.
Una they say CD, video, audio. You do matter people. And we need opposition in Nigeria. I will continue to shout it. We need opposition.
Cry if you want
we need opposition.
Nana pass. And they hunt now.
And all of the parts where they hunt us don't go APC.
What is that?
Former governor of Kwara State.
Yeah, what? So
he's now the Senate president.
Yes, what
under the APC.
No, he's
former governor of Rivers State.
He's clean.
He's now a minister.
He's a political born again.
He's a political ward.
There are people that consider
he's a political ward.
There are people that consider the past government, or rather the past party, as a party that don't foresee. They can't see ahead of what they have.
After you did that same party 15 years, now you can now see. You're not born again. I surrender.
No, the people will say at the 11th hour, then they turn born again.
11th hour.
Even at the hour of their death,
the parable of the 10 virgins.
God will still accept them. We get a caller, Jare. Talk to us. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mind yourself, Ochukwudi.
We need opposition.
Chinedu.
Talk to us.
Abeg, Oga Kubi, I want to ask one question.
Now, me won't ask Abina Chikwudi.
Allow him ask you.
Oga Kubi, now you want to ask this question this morning.
Oga Chinedu.
Abeg, Oga Paul, now Paul this.
Okay, Paul. Sorry. Good morning.
I want to ask one question. The question be this. Let's be sincere. Let's remove the party where you join and the party where Oga Chikwudi join. Now, when EP convention they hold, rather when they choose their chairmanship. Yeah? Now by election that they do have been by appointment.
Which one?
You know,
Chairmanship of PDP.
What is PDP
excuse me.
when they go, they appoint Almond Sharif.
Now, question I ask. Now, the truth will they try and find out.
No.
Answer
his question. Now, answer his question.
Was it your question?
Answer his question.
Are they here? Paul, continue.
I say whether not by appointment or been by election, they choose
now
their
chairmanship. Now they take appointment in the first place. So I don't know how to address such.
No, but man tell you the way they take appointment and so now, because everything for this life gets second thought.
Thank you.
Okay.
If they appoint what to be name Sheriff as interim chairman, acting chairman, not full chairman till as Oga Sylvester talked yesterday, they appoint them as the acting chairman till convention will take place.
Thank you.
But now, he no one allowed convention to take place in order for this election to
I now finish it up. Why you dey cut am? May you finish it up. Oga Paul, no verse, finish your talk. Put that paper down now.
APC hand not there inside.
Thank you.
Even if you remove, remove everybody for the picture now. Both the APC and the PDP, more remove them. The courts now, where 3 court judges don't already give the ground.
Wait.
Who you go blame for that one?
Wait, let him land.
Make Sheriff come out.
Thank you.
3 court judges,
3.
as we do as Wazobia now, the Wazobia management say they don't want you again. Who are you to say you want to remain for Wazobia?
Oh,
that is a different thing.
It's the same thing.
It's not different.
Let me ask you this question.
It's not different.
What will be the agreement where the people will go meet Almond Sharif?
Which agreement?
The agreement they hold with them behind the curtain.
Which agreement?
Where is the sister right now?
Yes,
Have you bothered asking yourself that?
Yes, there was an agreement, but if Sheriff himself even breached the agreement, he can't be a PDP chairman.
And what
at
if
the same
PDP
time,
breach the agreement?
In 2019, it's not possible.
Oga Paul, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
I don't agree with you, Oga Paul.
You don't weak, you don't hit him.
I don't agree with you.
He don't hit you.
Hit you.
You are losing your voice. You are losing your voice. You are losing your voice.
Are that person where they punch?
Your volume don't go down.
Who?
Your volume is going down.
My volume can never go down.
Your volume is going down.
My volume can never go down.
Using your hand to support yourself, you fall down.
Hey, please.
You fall down. It's the truth.
Of all things.
The voice of the people is the voice of God.
All things,
Nigerians will continue to cry. We want opposition in this country.
Oh, the same opposition that ruled for 16 years.
Which one? With the same
PDP.
people. With the same people that are not happy. With the same people that are not happy.
Oh, sorry, I don't see that same political vote again.
Una don't be sent. Una to be sent, Abi.
No, I know we have sent in this.
You have we sent.
Party.
No,
but now.
No, wait.
Even from our past mistake, we never still learn.
We sent.
Never still learn.
We sent.
Now still get crisis.
We sent.
You say crisis when I get when I dey party in charge. Now still get up.
Pardon is not corruption sent.
Now still get up.
Pardon is not corruption sent. No, pardon no.
Prove that pardon is in the budget.
Hey.
Or rather, prove that it is in the constitution.
Hey.
We have a caller. Good morning.
Who could be now? Pardon is not corruption.
No, check it. It in constitution.
Hey, under a government of change.
Check now. Why are you looking at me as if Oga Lawrence? Good morning, Jare. Talk to us.
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes, and Chukwudi.
Mr. Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Yes.
If I will talk to you, in the present government,
yes,
the judiciary has never been sincere in anything they are doing.
Are you sure?
Let him land.
Very
Let him land, please.
The judiciary has not been sincere.
Let him land, please. Let him land.
The Supreme Court granted this person, Wike, say I win
Will you
election.
allow our caller to land?
Okay.
Will you allow our caller to land?
Granted Nnamdi Kanu bail. The court did not do anything about it. And now, presently, in this convention issue, and the court, different courts are saying the same thing, and we have a president in this country, and we have somebody that is in charge of the judiciary, cannot say anything.
How is the president related to the judiciary?
Listen to me now, he is the head of the country.
Oh, 3 arms of government.
Will you allow this man to talk?
Executive.
Will you allow
judiciary, legislator.
Listen to my view.
Okay, I'm listening.
Understand? I will have somebody that is in charge of judiciary here, and because they are misbehaving, he cannot say anything about it. And you are saying then, at the end of the day, you see that nobody will say that the present government doesn't want opposition.
Were you not here when Mr. President, hold on. Were you not here when Mr. President said that the judiciary is one of the challenges they get?
Will you allow him finish? Hold on what?
How can Mr. President say that? Listen to me. How can Mr. President even say in a newspaper that? Listen to me now, Nkubi.
I'm listening.
How can a president say in a newspaper that Nigerians have not even started feeling the heat of the hardship with what is happening in the country? It's on newspaper.
Because of a spillover from the past government.
1 year, 3 months, you are still blaming the past government. 1 year, 3 months.
A spillover from the past government.
1 year, 3 months, you are still blaming the past government.
That's my view.
Thank you very much, Oga Lawrence.
Oga Lawrence, thank you very much.
You are a law-abiding Nigerian.
But I will still stand.
You are not standing, you are sitting down. You are not standing, you are sitting down. You are not standing, you are sitting down. It's not figure of anything. You are not standing. You are not standing, you are sitting down.
And I continue to stand.
You are sitting down.
And I will vehemently stand on the part of truth. And the truth is, me I'm going to ask myself, say, waiting be the two way
waiting concern una inside this matter. Waiting concern una is already clear. We can see it. We can see it. We need opposition in Nigeria. You cannot kill opposition in Nigeria. You cannot kill opposition. You will not kill opposition in Nigeria.
Don't say me.
You will not.
I don't have any hand in this matter.
It's already clear.
Neither does the ruling party have a hand in it.
It's already clear.
What is clear?
One court say, the other court say.
Oh, the judiciary.
This court say, the other court say. This court say, the other court say. Who is the Attorney General of the Federation? Who is the Attorney General of the Federation? Who appoints the Minister of Justice? Who appoints the Minister of Justice? We know all this. Police go cordon off the place. We know all this. Who gave them the order?
The commissioner no come and talk say he no shut down the venue.
He say he no shut down.
Say he just provide security to ensure say the whole thing there was peace.
He provides security.
Yeah, that was what the commissioner said.
Una come block road.
The commissioner that what he talk.
To cordon off is to seal. He say he provide peace.
Well, the commissioner has spoken.
Nigerians under this government.
The commissioner don't talk.
Different lie.
I will hold on to the statement of the commissioner.
Una don't even sabi how to lie.
We have the undercaller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, today here you talk to us.
Yeah, Uncle, good morning.
Good morning. What's your name? Where are they call us from?
My name is Kevin from Akura.
Okay.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kevin.
Uncle, I want to ask, I just want to say one or two things there.
Oh, to us, Abi?
No, to you. Allow him talk, please.
To you, Uncle.
Okay.
When all the things they happen for this country, we don't need anybody to tell us what things they happen.
Like what and what?
Allow him to talk now. Don't interrupt him. Let him fire you.
When people give you some examples concerning Edo election, Anambra election, and Osun, and you were complaining that Anambra with the PDP have an affiliation. Let's tell ourselves the truth. It's obvious that this present government don't want opposition.
I don't agree with you.
Let him finish before you do. Let him finish, please.
How can three law courts in this country having just on one matter? Is it possible for the river court, Anambra, Abuja, and Lagos court on one matter? That is when people saying that monkey hand monkey hand is there. Look, we tell ourselves the truth. Monkey hand, they don't stay there.
Never, if I want to.
Okay, Kevin, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Never, if I want to make they freeze me as he freeze me right now.
Why I not go freeze you?
No ever freeze me like this again.
Why I not go freeze you? I will freeze you.
Okay, Kevin.
I don't get you. You will be frozen. You will be frozen.
But then, if the judiciary they get internal issue, is it the responsibility of the president to come say he won't go pass judgment?
Who appoints the minister of justice?
Oga Gozie.
Who appoints the minister of justice?
Respect yourself.
He's 4-0 already. He's 4-0. We see your hand is inside this thing.
Your hand is there. Oga Gozie, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Would they hear you?
Okay. My name, I'm a girl.
Oh, okay. What is your name, please?
My name is Chigozie.
Chigozie, you call her Oga Gozie. This is the same thing that happened in the PDP. Oga Gozie.
Hold on. The lady is calling. Okay. We are very sorry. Talk to us, please.
Okay. Yes. See, what I want to say is that we deserve to have an opposition party in the country.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, but the way they are going about it is not the way it's supposed to be.
The opposition, right?
Okay, I know that originally PDP did not even envision that they were going to be the opposition party. I think maybe that's part of the issue.
Okay.
They always felt they're going to be the ruling party.
Yes.
Yes. Then my issue is that I don't think we should blame APC for anything happening to PDP now.
Thank you very much, Chigozie.
The issue is with themselves. If they don't put their house in order, then that's when you give room for people to come in and spoil it.
Thank you very much, Chigozie.
They are spoiling it by themselves. They are spoiling their party by themselves.
Thank you.
First and foremost, the party is supposed to have, they should have conventions. They should have rules and,
yes.
They should have rules and regulations that's going to,
and they should probably ask themselves,
chairman should be
allow
finish. So why should they even want to say they want, why should you get to court in the first place? Say because your convention, when you're playing out the way it should be.
God will continue to bless you.
Allah finish.
She don't.
Bishop.
She don't need.
Bishop.
I need to give her multiple blessings.
Prayer warrior.
Because her name is Chigozie.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. I'm happy say female callers contribute for this kind of particular discussion.
Female, yes. We have another caller. Hold on. Just hold on there. Freeze.
I go address some things when she talk.
Freeze.
Chigozie, God bless you.
Freeze. Respect the
Freeze
yourself. Now go bring respect.
Prayer warrior.
We have Oga Valentine. Good morning. Calling us from Kano.
Hello, Chukode and Mr. Nkobi.
I greet you, Oga Valentine.
Good morning.
Yes, they hear you.
Would enjoy on our program from
Thank
Kano.
You very much.
Okay. What I got to say about this on our topic this morning, they say this is the way that happen for this Nigeria now. Everybody will get eye, they see them.
Thank you.
We know, yes.
We get sent to come out, they read it.
Yes.
Like this one, we talk about the PDP convention now, containing Almar Sharif and the McAfee section. We know say Sharif had no killing. And because Jonathan regime, are you hearing me?
Yes, continue, Oga Valentine. You are making points.
Jonathan regime tamper justice with mercy on that man. Now, APC don't call up, tell Aninash, say if you mess up, we'll take you up.
Prove your facts. Provide your facts.
Now the agreement now between Sharif and APC, if you know that to their throne as a spoiler in PDP, to make sure say there is no position in Nigeria, they will take him up. That is why if you say EFCC go after Sharif, after all the whole crime where he committed in Borno State, all the monkey hand where they for Boko Haram for Borno State, all the money where Sharif chop for Borno State, EFCC no go after Sharif. Why? Because APC don't threaten him inside.
Oga Valentine.
Plata make it fall PDP.
Make I ask you this question.
Make it finish.
Make I ask you this finish. It's done.
Everybody knows this one. It's not more hidden.
But quickly, may I ask you, when PDP no say Almadu Sharif and no clean, why them go meet them? Say okay, come become our chairman. But thank you for calling anyway. We got another caller where they call us right now. Good morning. Welcome to us the hot.
Oga Solomon, I beg, reduce the volume of your television.
Hello, how are they?
We did fine, Oga Solomon.
See, Nigerians, you guys say not nothing to be democracy.
Oh.
In a democracy, you have branch of government.
Yes.
Judicial, the executive, the judiciary, and the legislative.
Yes.
Even Oga Buhari, even though they invest with now, because of this budget pardon, okay, I invest on that one.
Yes.
In the first talk, say the problem when he gets,
the judiciary.
Judiciary,
thank you.
They corrupt.
Yes.
Now, this same Oga Sharif, who appointed in the very first place.
Oh, thank you.
Me, I'm a APC guy, you. But if we're going to punish them right now, they know say the man get baggage at the very beginning. They go appoint him.
They go meet him.
Make it be their chairman.
Thank you.
No, I think they backfire.
Thank you.
APC. What do you guys do with APC?
Oh. Oga Solomon.
Yes.
Oh my God. Thank you. You're a wise man. Like you're a typical example of Solomon in the Bible. You don't foresee this problem. Say, what you consign them? But before then, we could use this wise thought. Take it and go for this quick break. When we come back, we will continue this matter.
Father of Solomon.
Finish. Don't the hot
King David, father of Solomon.
He done the hot.
I will bounce back to address some issues that have been raised. I will bounce back to address some issues that have been raised.
To get red.
We need opposition in Nigeria.
Who is he? Who is holding back on the position?
We know what you are doing.
Who is holding back on the position?
We can see your hand.
Don't point at me.
Your hand is
Don't point at me.
Your hand is involved.